guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. Today I'm going to show you how I made this fun summer centerpiece using orange picks from Walmart. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not already. This is a very easy and inexpensive floral arrangement. Walmart also has lemon picks, so if you're not into oranges, you might like the lemons better. For this arrangement, you're going to need some pretty summer flowers, and you're going to need 7 of the Walmart Mainstays brand 97-cent orange picks. You are also going to need a vase or a flower pot to put your arrangement in. I picked up this pretty flower pot just a week or so ago at Dollar General for only $5. They also have a few different designs in this flower pot or vase at Dollar General, and you're going to need a block of foam, and you'll want to cut it to fit your vase, and you could add some hot glue in the bottom before you push your foam in. And here's my 7 picks. I actually bought 8 picks, but I only used 7. And then here's my other picks. The roses and the wildflowers came from Dollar Tree, and I used 3 of the wildflowers. I ended up not using the white roses. So here's the wildflowers from Dollar Tree. So you're going to need 3 of them. This one came from Dollar General, and it was $3. The next flowers came from Walmart, 97-cent, dahlias, I believe, Mainstays brand, and I used, I believe, 1 of those. And then I did not use the flowers from Michael's. You will also need a fern pick from Walmart. This is a huge fern. I believe it's $3.47, but you're only going to need a few pieces off of it, so you'll have leftovers for another DIY. So first you're going to want to take your fern pick, cut a few pieces off, and you're going to place it in the center of your foam, and you could add a little hot glue on the end of your pick before you push it into the foam. So you want something with height for the center. I just added a few pieces of fern to the arrangement. Now, like I said, you don't have to use fern. You can use something else with height, but the wildflower picks from Dollar Tree also add some nice height to this arrangement. Now I'm taking my 3 wildflower picks from Dollar Tree. I am not cutting any of the length off of these because I want them to be tall, so I'm just fluffing them first, and I'm going to add them to the arrangement. So just take them and push them into the foam. Now if you don't usually reuse your picks or anything and you want it to stay permanent, add a dot of hot glue onto the end of the pick before you push it into the foam. I don't usually add hot glue, and mine stay together just fine, so that's just an option if you want to. I only use the 2 Dollar Tree wildflower picks. I put 1 on the left and 1 on the right, but you could put 1 in the center if you would like. Next, I'm using the flower pick I picked up at Dollar General. Now on this one, I am just going to take it and cut it into smaller pieces. When I am making a floral arrangement, what I do on the left, I usually do on the right. What I do on the front, I usually do on the back. Now you don't have to do it perfect, but that's just the way that I like to do it. Especially if you're using it like on your dining room table and people are going to be seeing it from all directions. So what I do on the left, I usually do on the right, same with the front and the back. So that's just a tip, just an idea, so it's up to you. Now I have my pick from Dollar General cut into smaller pieces, shorter pieces, so they're just basically singles on most of the stems. So I'm placing, this is the front of my arrangement, or I'm calling it the front, so I'm placing kind of 1 on the right side and pushing it down into the foam. Now I'm going to take another one and place it on the left side on the front. Now I'm going to rotate it around to the back, and I'm going to do the same thing. One on the right, and then another one on the left. I am so sorry about the camera shaking. My daughter's little coonhound, she likes to sit under the table, and she jumped up and ran and she hit the tripod, so that's why it shook. Parker and Lucky both like to lay under the dining room table while I'm doing crafts, and so I don't know why she decided to take off running, but she's a little bit clumsy and bumped it. I thought I would only need about 5 of the orange picks, and then I got 2 more out, so I used a total of 7 of the orange picks from Walmart, 97-cent Mainstays brand. So if you can find them, go grab some, and the lemon ones are so pretty too. So here I'm just taking one. We did cut about 2 inches off the end of each orange pick to make it a little shorter. So I placed one on the front center. Now I'm going to the back center. Fluff your picks as you go. So I've got one in the front, one in the back, and then now we're going to do the left side and then the right side. And then I went back and I filled in with the others. Now you can fit all 8 in if you would like, but I thought it was full enough for this size flower pot or vase. So just do what you think is best. If you do use all 8, I would recommend on the 8 or one of the picks, not cutting it shorter and placing that pick in the very center of the arrangement. Also, I forgot to mention that you could cover your foam with some moss before you start adding your floral picks if you would like, and then just kind of fluff your flowers. Now here I am going in and just kind of filling in some spots. You can make this floral arrangement for any season or holiday. I am just making mine for summer and giving you some ideas, so I hope you like it. Last, I did fill in with a few of the Walmart dahlias that are 97 cents. Just cut them into shorter pieces and just kind of space them out in the floral arrangement. I hope you enjoyed watching me make this summer centerpiece. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share this video, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope everyone has a beautiful day.